This dash out from my S10 GMC S15. Same difference. All parts for it. I'm gonna be real quick. I just spent a bunch of time deleting videos and pictures without going on a rant and making a video about that itself. Google stole all my memory. Got all the glass in the truck. It's the second front glass. The first one leaked and got chipped on the installation. Thankfully they didn't scratch nothing up replacing it again. And these still have to get replaced again. I've had a lot of anxiety about that, do all that work, and the only thing I call a third party for, they mess up. So I get it. I feel y'all's pain going to all these shops and calling other people. It's hard. That's why I always did everything myself. Got the door panels on, obviously. Started doing some wiring. Get this thing sealed up and finished, and onto the bodywork of the truck bed. Back glass in. I did that one and a couple friends helped hold it. Went in pretty easy. And put the speakers in. Some little CT sounds. It's the first time trying that company. Yeah. Stainless screws. I missed the video of the Caprice. I had absolutely no memory for the last month almost. Finally sat down and squoze out 6 minutes, and we're 2 minutes into that. So I just have to keep deleting the last video like I've been doing for years. I ain't gonna push this video anyways. I don't have nothing to do with AI. AI is the only thing getting pushed now. Our downfall. The great delusion. It's biblical, baby. I might be back. They don't erase me. Peace. God bless.